Now this is a straight line talking about coordinate geometry. Write down the coordinates of A. First part is too simple. He just wants you to read the part point A. So can you read the point A for me?
Okay. There's
5,
5
comma.
to 6. 5,6.
Okay. Find the equation of line L in the form y is equal to mx plus c. First locate the c. C is y-intercept.
Yes. So 3.
C is equal to 3. How we can find the gradient? We can read the y-axis from anywhere. Let's see if I read, it's getting 3 and it is getting 7. I can find the gradient as y upon x. Anywhere
Yeah.
which is readable. Anywhere which
Okay.
is readable in my graph, I can read from here. Look, I make a small triangle.
Okay.
If you have the book, so you can mark with me.
Yes.
So if I read horizontal boxes are 5, vertical boxes are 4.
Yes.
Gradient is y upon x. It will be 4 upon 5. The line is sloping left, so it will be minus. Whenever a line has a slope in this form, it has a negative gradient.
Okay.
So now y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to minus 4 upon 5x plus 3. So when a line is sloping upward like this, it has a positive gradient. And when a line is sloping like this, it has a negative gradient. Here, the gradient is plus, and here the gradient is minus. This is a
Yes.
good memory. You should copy it in your notes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Write down the equation of the line parallel to the line that passes to the point B. Where is point B? Achha, he wants write down the equation of the line parallel to line L. So we need to draw a line parallel to like this. So you should also draw a line with the ruler.
Okay.
Now, if a line is parallel to this line, will it be having the same gradient? Parallel lines have same gradient.
Yes.
So gradient will be same. And look at this point. This will be the y-intercept. So gradient will be the same, minus 4 upon 5. Y-intercept will be minus 2. Equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Now, this is the equation.
Okay.
Write down the equation of the line perpendicular to line L that passes through the point C.
Okay.
Now, write down the equation of the line. The point C is 8, 14. When a line is perpendicular to the line L, its gradient will be minus 1 upon m. So first we work out the gradient. First, you should remember that the gradient will be, look, what is the gradient of the line L? It's minus 4 upon 5. And carefully see, I will change the sign and I will flip the fraction. Whenever you are dealing with perpendicular lines, remember that you have to reverse the sign. You have to reverse the sign and you have to reverse the fraction. Gradient is 5 upon 4. What was the gradient there? It was minus 4 upon 5.
Yes.
So we got the gradient and we have a point 8, 14. Now look at this working. I first found C.
Yes.
And after putting it here, you can get the equation of the line. Calculate the length of AC. What are the coordinates of A?
Coordinates of A are 5, 6.
And what are the coordinates of C?
Of C, 3. Oh, no, sorry, 8 to 4.
So complete this working and do the next part also. I'm just coming. Do this working and complete the next part also.
Okay.
You said 8.44, na?
Yes.
Write down.
8.544.
Sorry.
8.544.
Okay. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of BC. C is what are the coordinates of B? Achha, B
B.
is 0, 2.
Yes. Sir, instead of the comma, will we do the separate thingies in the first equation?
Sorry, you're talking about part number 3.
Yes.
Just put the values now. 0 plus 8/2.
Yeah, but like I can't put comma in the calculator.
Nee, separately solve it.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
Yeah, forward. Okay. The second question is October, November 18, P43.
October number 18, paper 43.
Yes. Question 1B.
1B.
Yes.
But this involve vector. Please look another question because we haven't done vector here in our class. So please look another question.
Question 3 is May, June 18, P43.
May, June 18, 43.
Yes. Question 9.
Find the equation of the straight line that is perpendicular to the line y is equal to half x plus 1 and passes to the point 1, 3.
Okay.
How we find the perpendicular gradient? Flip the gradient and change the sign. Reverse the sign and flip the gradient. What's the rule? When you want to
Reverse.
find the perpendicular gradient, flip the gradient and the sign also. Now, first
Oh,
we see he has given us y is equal to half x plus 1.
okay.
This is called perpendicular gradient, -2.
Okay.
Flip the gradient.
Yes.
Flip the gradient and reverse the sign. Now, equation. I found the value of C.
Yes.
Copy this screen. Copy this working.
Okay. Okay.
Achha, these are inequality. This is not a topic of coordinate geometry. This is not a. Can you look for another question?
Okay. March 18, P42.
March 18.
P42. Question 10.
Question number.
10.
This is a straight line. Calculate the length of AB. So copy the formula and we will continue this in our next class. Copy this formula and try this part at home. We will do it inshallah in the next class. Have you copied it?
Yes.
Have you copied it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So let's do it in our next class. Thank you.
Oh, okay.